And we're getting some breaking news coming in. The Jammu Kashmir Congress chief sends a stay cool message. Jammu Kashmir Congress chief backs for talks with Pakistan. Says both countries must stay cool at this hour. Jammu Kashmir Congress chief has called for cool heads at this time after the Pahalgam attack. Says both countries must stay cool in this situation.
पाकिस्तान ने एयर स्पेस बंद कर दी, उन्होंने भी रद्द अमल दिया है।
देखिए, ये तो अब एक्शन और काउंटर एक्शन वाली बात है, लेकिन हमारी गुजारिश दोनों सरकारों से यही होगी कि थोड़ा सा इस वक्त दे मस्ट कीप देयर कूल। हम बहसत कश्मीरी, हम बहसत बाशिंदे जम्मू कश्मीर के यही कहेंगे कि हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान में जब कभी भी कज्जिया होता है, जब कभी भी कोई झगड़ा होता है, उसके डायरेक्ट कैजुअलिटीज यहाँ के लोग होते हैं। सो एज विक्टिम्स एज वी हैव बीन एवर, we will request both the governments to keep their cool.
And Mir Farid is joining me live on this story. Mir, now calls for both countries to stay cool. The Jammu Kashmir Congress chief has said this. What more do we know? What is happening on the ground?
Yes, Anisha. In fact, Tariq Hamid Karra is one of the old brigades of the local Congress, and in fact, if you look at the Congress traditional line on such things, he's spoken that both the countries should come on the table, they should stay cool, and because Kashmiris have suffered a lot because of the confrontation, and it's time that saner minds come in. So that obviously tells you that he's going by the same template, but since considering the present situation, we know Congress, at least the High Command, the central Congress High Command has updated this template. Right now, most of them will tell you that they are with the government on this. Whatever decision the government, Modi government takes, be it on the military side or on the diplomatic side, the Congress is with them, the country is united. But here it seems that message is not gone to the local Congress leadership, who are still going by the old template of cool, saner minds, and obviously talking about that Pakistan and India, he means obviously that they should come to the table and not take a confrontational attitude. And also military response or military action obviously will be detrimental, and ultimately the people of Jammu and Kashmir will have to pay the price. So you have to look at it, you will have to go back to find the source of this statement. This has been the line of the Congress, especially in Kashmir, since ages, that they have always advocated for dialogue, whatever the situation or whatever the mindset and the mood of the country right now. So that is something that Tariq Hamid Karra has said, though we know he has since backtracked, tried to say that his statement has been blown out of proportion, but then as I said, this has been how the local Congress has reacted always to such a situation.
All right. Thank you so much for that update, Mir Farid. The Congress chief in Jammu Kashmir calling for cooler heads, asking both countries to stay cool at this hour just after the Pahalgam attack.